Hey everyone, Danny Jose here, DIY guy with another do-it-yourself video, and this time it's to prevent critters from eating at your vegetable gardens and making housing in your shed. Here we go. So I have this raised vegetable garden, and the critters still get at it. Squirrels, chipmunks, rabbits still climb up and get at my vegetables. So the easiest and safest way to prevent them from getting at the vegetables is to buy cayenne pepper. Now you can get these at the supermarket, but they come in bags and they're not very cost effective. So the best way is to get them on Amazon. They come in a big container like this, 450 grams for $9, and it's a lot of cayenne pepper there. So what you do is you sprinkle the cayenne pepper around the perimeter of the vegetables, and when the critters come around, it gets into their paws, and they really don't like this cayenne pepper. So it's really prevented them from coming around and eating at my vegetables. So one of the other things that I have a problem with these critters is they get at my shed, and as you can see, the shingles have fallen off, and they've got into my shed and made a mess in my shed. So I boarded it up, but as you can see, they still get at it. They gnaw through the wood and they get in. They don't really need a lot of space to get into the shed. It's just that little hole, so it's not really a good way to prevent them from getting at the shed. The other thing you should do is take out all the cardboard that's in your shed. They love ripping out the cardboard and making nests out of them. So I've taken them all out, flattened them, and I'm gonna throw them out in recycling. So the squirrels really love these wooden sheds. So they get at it. Again, they don't really need a lot of space to get into it. They just need a little tiny hole and they can really squeeze into your shed. So here you can see there's a couple of openings in my shed that I'm gonna have to close off, but again, they'll just gnaw through the wood. So you basically take the cayenne pepper and just sprinkle the cayenne pepper all along the ledge of the ceiling of the shed. And so when the squirrels come around, they run through it and it gets into their paws. The cayenne pepper gets into their paws, and they really don't like the smell and taste of cayenne pepper. So instead of closing off these holes that they've gnawed through, it really doesn't work because they'll just gnaw right through it anyways. So this is a good way to deter those critters from making their home in your shed.